Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to share pins on Pinterest. So after you open the app Pinterest, you can press the plus, the message button on the bottom, and then you can pick. So you choose who you want to send it first. For example, I'm picking my friend there, and then I can just press that button, and then I go to yours to see the pins that I have saved. And then for example, I want to send my friend this one, so just tap on it and then it will send right away. So you can also write messages. So for example, just type in anything and then type and then press that red button, and then once you're done, just wait for their reply there. And I hope it's useful, and thank you for watching.